Balance refers to the arrangement or distribution of elements in a work of art. Objects in photos have visual weight, and balance describes how this weight is distributed throughout the image. When you split an image in half and the elements on either side of a vertical line are equal in shape, size, value, color, etc., the work is considered to be symmetrical. Symmetrical balance doesn't have to be a mirror image on both sides. It's more about visual weight rather than exactness. Approximate symmetry means that objects taking up the same amount of space are being used to achieve a sense of visual balance. Sometimes objects of one value can balance out objects of a different value, creating approximate symmetry. And if a photo is close to being balanced but isn't perfectly equally weighted, it can be referred to as approximate. When the weight of two sides is different, the balance is considered asymmetrical. Asymmetrical balance can be seen when a photographer uses the rule of thirds and places the focal area at one of the cross points of a 3x3 grid. Radial balance happens when the elements in an image radiate from a center point. Flowers are an excellent example of radial balance, and so are other organic objects like this artichoke that's been cut in half. Photographers can use editing tools to change the balance of a photo from radial to asymmetrical. So whether you're using symmetrical, approximate, asymmetrical, or radial, balance is an important principle of art to consider for your compositions.